Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Kia Rio side mirror cover. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, adjust the mirror glass to its innermost position, creating a gap at the outer edge. This provides crucial access for the next steps. Always ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged before starting any work for safety. Now, let's carefully remove the mirror glass. Insert your trim removal tool into the gap you created at the outer edge. Gently pry the glass away from the housing, working slowly around the perimeter. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for heating or power adjustments. Set the mirror glass aside in a secure spot to avoid any scratches or breaks. With the mirror glass removed, you'll see the retaining clips that secure the side mirror cover. There are typically 3 to 4 clips. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently press down on each clip to release it. Work your way around the cover, applying steady, gentle pressure. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic tabs or the mirror housing itself. After all the clips are disengaged, the side mirror cover should slide off easily. Gently pull it straight away from the mirror housing. Before installing a new cover, take a moment to inspect both the new part and the mirror housing for any potential damage. To reinstall, simply align the new cover with the housing and press firmly until you hear and feel the clips securely click into their positions. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.